Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Uh, Today's video is going to be kind of slightly different. This is now just basically me working on a industrial machine. I'm not going to give you any details about it or anything. This was just a video for fun, getting back into that whole vibe of having fun on YouTube again. And this was actually one of the videos I enjoyed editing and I enjoyed making it. So I do really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I just want to give a special thanks to Koza, Mr. Koza. He was a friend who assisted me on the video. You will not be seeing any faces on there because of certain laws and regulations due to YouTube, but I don't know if you guys can hear that. That fly's irritating me now. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Like this video. Please watch it right through. Maybe there's something that you will learn yourself, or I do explain a lot of things on this video, and I do show a lot of things about the machine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you next time. Enjoy.
So I'm not going to do an introduction, but let's get started. This is just what it looks like, the machine that I'm going to be showing Tala about a bit today. So this is literally just for cutting. I'm not going to give out too much information about it because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to, but this is the big red button where you switch it on and off. And yeah, this is how we start off cutting, by measuring it and making sure we cut the right length. Just want to say a big thank you to Mr. Koza, who has helped me once again. And here he is showing you how we make sure that it's the right material, and also that we cut at the right length and the right positions. Pardon my fingers. The material we are currently cutting is a 2-inch, and it is nickel chrome. If you are not sure about what those things are, you can go and Google it. It's quite easy. Currently we are cutting here a nickel chrome. I'm not sure what amount of nickel chrome it is, but yeah, we are now just positioning it, making sure that the jaws hold it tightly and that the cutting blade is correctly. I will show you a bit later on what the buttons do as the video progresses. Bringing it down to cutting level, making sure it's on the mark. I'm just showing you this video with a bit of sound. Like you can see, the other videos do not have sound, but this one, it's got sound because I want to show you the noise level of this. It does make quite a bit of noise, and you can also see it does take a little bit of time to cut a 2-inch. This can cut up to many sizes, including a 6-inch, 2-inch and half-inch, and many more. You will also see a white liquid substance pouring out and shooting around. That is a oil based, which helps to cool down the blade and the material so that it does not damage each other. Before it gets mixed, it's like a dark brown color, and once it's mixed with water, it turns into that liquidy milk looking like some substance. Here you can see the liquid substance a bit more clearly. Sorry for the shaking, but I am literally holding the camera with my hands and not on the stand. Next, I will be showing you the controllers or the buttons to give you a bit of a better understanding of how we operate such a machine, and also understand why it's so easy. Now, first of all, we have our power light. Earlier on I showed you our main power. This is our secondary power, where you switch it on and off. Top button on, bottom button off. Then to open the clamp is the top, and to close the clamp is the bottom. Then we have to start the cutting process is the top, and to stop is the bottom once again. To open the and lift up the blade is the top button, and the bottom button is to bring it back down. Now to adjust it when you bring it down a bit faster is this button, and then we have our emergency button, emergency stop button. Next we have our speed dial. The speed dial has 0 to 10 digits. Now the speed on it I do not know, but we do have like an indicator on the knob to show which level we are at. This is now level 2. You can bring it up or down, which makes the speed slower or faster. Next we have, like I said, a 1/2 inch here to show you a bit how much faster it cuts through a 1/2 inch. There's not much to say about this except for that it shows how fast it goes. There is many more that I can talk about on this machine, but like I said, this is not a teachable video. It is just a bit of show and tell to show that even disabled people can work on big machines and should never shy away from working in an industrial area. Now I'm using a different method than my partner of measuring. I close the clamp, I bring the blade back down again, just so ever before it touches the material, and I take my previous cut-off piece and I measure it with the previous one until I have measured it to the same length, and then I start cutting. Once again, sorry for all the shaking, but I am holding this camera with my hand. And guys, also please don't do like I'm doing right now. I am not wearing any gloves or any personal protective equipment. Make sure always to use your personal protective equipment and work safe. Okay guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the video. Have a great one. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe and leave your comments. Tell me what you think of this. I tried something new and I hope it worked, and I hope you guys enjoy some things like this. This is your host of the most, Rudy, on his channel Wheels for Life. See you in the next one, and like and subscribe.